Sorry students for interruptions. We will continue. So continue the lecture. That I write here the another terms another term trichodons. So term trichodons suggests the teeth which are embedded in the socket of jaw bones. Example: man and crocodiles. You know very well. Some creatures have teeth, and some creatures have some kinds of teeth. Some creatures have some kinds of teeth, but humans have the teeth humans have the teeth which are embedded, which are inserted in the socket of jaw bones. So this dentition is called this dentition found in human beings is called trichodon. You must know that the human teeth are embedded in jaw sockets. You feel in your teeth very well that your teeth are fixed in the sockets of jaw bones. They don't move here and there. Why? Because they are embedded. They are fixed. They are inserted in the socket of jaw bones. So this phenomena is called, this term is associated what? Trichodont. So this is called trichodont. So students, human beings have three important terms, that trichodont, diphyodont and heterodonts. So altogether we can say that human teeth have trichodont and diphyodont and heterodont in nature. So the dentition found in human beings are trichodonts, diphyodont and heterodont. Clear students? Any problem? No problem. Now I will discuss about some other terms. It is not related to human beings, human digestive system. It is not the human teeth. What? That polyphyodont. So what is polyphyodont? The teeth which appear more than twice in life. This is called polyphyodonts. Poly means several. Poly means many. So the teeth which appear more than twice in life. You know very well in human beings, if I talk about the human beings have the teeth which appear twice in life, only twice. But some creatures, some animals have the teeth which appear more than twice in life. So example, fish, the amphibians. Some fish have 4 times, some fish have more than 4 times, that teeth comes in 4 times, they appears in 4 times. So this is the example of polyphyodont. This is not related to human teeth, so we are not discussing in detail about this term. So students, altogether we can say only human beings have the trichodont, diphyodont and heterodont types of dentitions in his lifespan. Clear? This is the all portions about the important terms related to human teeth. Now we will discuss about another an important term which is called dental formula. This is the representation. What is dental formula? This is the representations in proper sequence. This is the representations of heterodont types of teeth, and we can say that this is the representations of various kinds of teeth in proper sequence. So we can say here dental formula, it represents the arrangement of teeth in each half of upper and lower jaw in the sequence of I, C, P, M and M. I stands for incisors, C stands for canines, PM stands for premolars, M stands for molars. So what I write here, that it represents, means dental formula represents the arrangement of teeth, how to arrange teeth, how to explain teeth in which sequence. So the answer is dental formula represents the arrangement of teeth, means dentition, it is represent the dentition in each half of the upper and lower jaw in the sequence of incisors, canines, premolars and molars. For better understood, you can see here in the diagram that I write a sphere and I divide into two hemispheres. This is sphere, this is upper spheres, this is lower sphere. Clear, students? And further I divide in two hemispheres into quadrants. Clear? This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third, and this is fourth. So you very well know that human have upper jaw. This is upper jaw where the 16 teeth are situated, and this is lower jaw where 16 same type of teeth are situated. Clear? So this is upper jaw, this is lower jaw. This is first half of upper jaw, this is second half of upper jaw. This is first half of lower jaw, this is first half of second half of lower jaw. So this is the half portion of upper and lower jaws. So dental formula represents